Hey, welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Today we're going to talk about how to correct the problem with a slow-moving drain, slow-moving or a clogged drain. Now there's different ways of doing it. We're going to try doing it the easiest way first before we have to open up the trap down the bottom and try to clear out the trap. A couple things you're going to need. You're going to need some rags, of course, because it's going to be a little bit messy. We are going to use a tool such as this here, which you can buy in just about any big box store. You can also check in my Amazon store below this video. You'll see that this tool is in there as well. This works pretty good in case you have any kind of soap or hair buildup down inside the trap. This goes down pretty far and you can remove any of the debris inside the trap. All right, and if that doesn't work, then we'll open up the bottom down here and then we'll deal with it as we go along. You want to have a rag so you don't make a real mess wherever you're working. And of course, you're going to have something that you can clean it off and throw it away. All right, so first thing I'm going to do, let me show you what it does, and then we're going to get this started and we'll get this done. All right, so you see how the water is not going down all the way? Let me just close it up and I'll show you what it looks like as it goes down. Yours may be a little bit different, but this will give you an idea anyway. And it's going down very, very slow. All right, so while that drains, first thing we're going to do is this is what they call a pop-up drain. This one here, you push it down and it pops right up. So we're going to remove this piece first, which you just unscrew out of the drain. We're going to take it out. And usually you'll find hair or something around inside here. We are going to clean this out with a rag. We are going to clean it out, but that's not the real problem we're having today. All right. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to try to clean out down in the drain right down here. So now that we have this out, we are going to take a look down there just to make sure that there's nothing blocking the drain up. And I don't see anything in the drain itself. It looks fairly clean. So what we are going to do is we're going to slide this down in here and then down the bottom, right down over here. This is what's called a trap, right down inside here. Most of the time a clog will develop in this area right here. So we're going to slide that tool down and we're going to try to clear out that area down inside here. And if we can't clear it out, then we'll take it apart and we'll see what's going on in there. But first thing we're going to do is we're going to try this tool right here. We're going to run the water at the same time. Okay, now we're just going to put our pop-up drain back in for just a minute so we can test it to make sure that it's cleared out. Now while that's filling, I just want to explain to you, you will find down inside that trap down there, you're going to find a lot of hair or soap scum down inside there which needs to be moved. A lot of times when you put this down there, it will clear it out, but let's see. Let's take it out so we can see how fast it goes. And you can see the difference like night and day. Let's just try this one more time. I'm going to show you real quick. All right, now let's see how it works. And you can see that that went down absolutely perfect. All right, so the next thing we're going to do now is we're just going to take our tool and we're just going to put it here for 1 minute. And now we're going to clean off any of the debris that's inside here, and that usually comes out fairly easy because it's just soap that builds up on there, soap and hair. So we are going to take this, clear it out a little bit. It just wipes right off. All right, I'm going to clear this out a little bit better here. So bear with me 1 second. And this usually just comes right out. There's really not much inside here. You just go in here with a rag, clear it out just like that, and you can see it comes right out. And again, it's just from the soap that goes down the sink. It builds up inside there over a period of time, and that's what happens. You may not want to go crazy making it spotless because it's going to build up again, but you want to try to get as much out of there as you possibly can. Okay? And then we just take this piece and it screws right back in. Nice and easy like that. We'll close it, fill it up one more time and make sure it flows down properly. Okay, here we go. And that's it. You can see it's nice and clear. So invest in this tool. This tool is fairly inexpensive. I think it's only probably $5 or $10, but it'll save you a big headache. And a lot of times you will not have to remove the whole trap assembly. These things work great. It saves you a little bit of time. And if it doesn't work, then you will need to remove that trap and clear it out. But that's it. This job was fairly easy, and we're on to the next one. All right, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Where's Molly? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.